This is Lincoln and this is Amelia. Our mission was to model a million. Explain how this grass blade shows a million.
Well, what we did was we decided to see how many square centimeters would a million blades of grass take up, just to see how big and how much for such a small thing. And so we've calculated that, and it turns out that 1 square centimeter, this is on average, equals 3 blades of grass in that square centimeter.
Okay, so what made you decide modeling a million using blades of grass?
We decided to use that because Miss Angela suggested it. So
Yeah.
we just thought it would be pretty easy.
And there weren't too many options,
Yeah.
so it was hard to pick.
Okay. How different members of the team helped?
For us, I actually did most of it because Karun was out and Amelia and them were doing a math conference. But at the beginning, they helped me try to calculate how much was in 1 square centimeter on average.
What methods do you use to plan or complete this task?
So what we did was we first of all calculated an average of 1 square centimeter so that we could see how much that was. So then that was that, and then we had to divide a million by that amount, which ended up to be 333,333.333, but the 3's would actually go on forever because you couldn't divide it equally. So we did division in the sense to see how many square centimeters there was.
Are you sure?
Or maybe not exactly division, but that's how I checked it at least. Checked over.
How did you get the number? Like before you did the division, what operation did you need to use to figure it out?
We needed to use the averaging. So, because we had to calculate how much was in a square centimeter, but of course it's not going to be exactly the same the entire time. So we had to average that to get 3.
What problems did you have to solve along the way, and how did you?
We had to solve the problem of some of the group members not being here and how to organize yourself.
Did you need to group numbers?
Yeah, mostly because, like, especially with the averaging, like, because it's average, so it's not always 3. Sometimes it could be like 4 or maybe 2.
I think she's trying to say,
Yeah.
so we had to group them like 3 is in that, and then how many square centimeters. But I'm not exactly sure. Sometimes it seems like there is, sometimes it isn't. Sometimes. Because I didn't do that part.
Did you change the way you group numbers?
Not really. I don't really get that question.
Okay, so then did you notice any patterns or something?
I'm not that way. No, not really.
Did you have or made any connections?
Well, I kind of connected it because I did a project on how much bookshelving it would take to hold, I think it was 1 million books on average of the dictionary. And that time I also had to use averaging for the side of the book. And also there was the timesing factor, which I used to check that as well.
Did people have any different perspectives about how completing the tasks?
Yeah, I guess we all did. Noe, she thought we should use the
10 square centimeters, I think it was.
Yeah, something.
And she tried to get us to do 10 square centimeters, how many blades blades of grass, and then we decided just to do one because it would be easier.
Yeah.
How responsible were different members of the team?
In some ways, especially for Noemi, at the beginning she started to not really get it, so she started to play around, but then as soon as we told her what
Yeah,
we were
as
doing and
soon-
why we did it, she started to work, but when she didn't really know, she wasn't doing it as responsibly as, same with me.
Yeah, so like once we all got it, we worked like much better.
Yeah.
And were there any good things about your cooperative?
So, for good things, I think we cooperated well at the engine. Definitely, we organized ourselves well, so we weren't all doing the exact same thing all the time.
And if you were to work again, what would you change in your working?
I'd probably see if we could get to have, because at some points I just kind of, because they didn't really get what I was doing, and I was going a lot faster than, so I'd see if I could probably slow down so that they'd understand and be able to help.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Thank you.